Suddenly, you just need to be connected. That changes everything. It changes the basis on which you can make a contribution. You know, your brain can make a contribution at a distance.
It's one thing to sit here in the Media Lab and talk about the future. I go very often into places which are about as different from Media Lab as it can get. And I think to myself, what's the value of all my ideas over here? But there is one great hope. Wherever I go, the very first thing that I ask or I take out my phone and check for is, do I have even that little bandwidth which will give me GPRS or something equivalent to that? And in the middle of jungles, I find that sometimes it says connected. And I know then that everything that I'm saying can go everywhere and work exactly the same way. It's a question of time.
Connectivity is actually opening up the world. If you open up a village, for example, Bonsaso, and the students can actually now communicate with other students, say in London, it means they start seeing the world in a different way. Educate a youth and you educate a nation.
Connect to Learn is a partnership between Ericsson, together with Earth Institute in Columbia University, and the Millennium Promise. It's twofold. It provides scholarships to girls, and Connect to Learn gives students computers and connectivity and shows them how to use it and how to get information. Education was limited to what the teacher could tell the students, and the teacher was relying on that small textbook or those few books, so he was not getting that exposed. Now you're able to have access to a lot of information, and the children start chatting and exchanging information, and you can see there's much more things for them to talk about because they feel like they're more exposed, and the children are more confident.
They have the energy, they have quite a lifespan ahead of them, and they are able to start thinking bigger. If you bring connectivity to them, they are actually able to do transactions, and they can start small businesses which will uplift them. So I would say it is actually just opening up villages and the whole country, and actually to say the whole continent.
We are rolling it out in as many countries as possible in Africa and also in South America. It has potential to be upscaled to any country